Just to recap on the main discoveries and the main objective we'll have with the golf swing over the next few weeks is, especially when with the driver. So the main idea here, as we're setting up, we need to feel we have a little bit more tilt away from the target. Here we see this 1A, this is 1 degree away from the target with our spine. We really want to lean that a little bit further away from the target. Now, as you make your backswing, what we do is we have a tendency to drift towards the target a little bit too much. Now, this green line here on the graph on the right, as soon as that green line starts to climb and go above 0, that's your rib cage going towards the target until we get to the top of backswing here. So your rib cage is going towards the target couple of inches, so it makes it a little bit difficult for us to start our downswing. And as we sort of studied from your kinematic sequence graph here, you have a tendency for the rib cage, so the green line goes first from the top of the swing. So our rib cage goes first, then our pelvis, and that's all due to how we're making our backswing. It's just a reaction to the backswing. So our rib cage goes first here, and our rib cage speeds up before the pelvis. So we actually don't use our lower body quite a lot in the swing. It peaks much later than the rib cage. So there's actually a lot of potential for us to create some more power there and more speed. So the main thing is better setup. We need the stance wider for the driver. And then as we make the backswing, we're going to try and load in behind the ball, because you can see we're just drifting towards the target. Our rib cage goes first from the top of the swing. Affects our ability to create speed and consistency and our low point as well. So that's the main idea for us with our blueprint going forward for the next couple of weeks, and then we'll reassess.